Hello again, everyone.
Yep.
Today we've got the Boss Tera Echo, which was the 100th pedal Boss made.
Really?
Did you know that?
No.
So that was kind of like their anniversary, 100 pedals they made, so the Tera Echo.
It's in this cool kind of glittery white colour.
Yes, with golden stuff.
That's important.
That's very important.
Well, this is kind of like a delay filter reverby kind of hybrid thing.
Kind of thingy, yeah. It uses Boss MDP, which is multi-dimensional processing, which a lot of the newer pedals use, which basically splits. I'm not 100% sure how it works, but it splits your signal into multiple signals, which may or may not have anything to do with the frequencies and stuff like that, and then affects these different signals separately, and then combines it back into one signal and comes out in this wonderful ambient goodness that this pedal is.
If our science tech is too talk is too technical, just go to their website
and check it out. And it's got stereo in, stereo out, so if you wanted, you can use it in stereo. We're using it mono today. I've got my 1981 Ibanez Artist AS100, all original with the original Super 80s pickups, which are their PAF kind of style.
Cool.
And you?
This is my Jazz Custer from Warmoth parts. So it's a Warmoth neck and a Warmoth body, and Rio Grande pickups. And
we're running through your Seriatone OTS Mini 20, which is a Dumble kind of vibe kind of thing, into an ISO cab with a greenback, Celestian greenback. So, clean tone. Now, pedal on. Now, the interesting part is, depending on where you have your S time, which is the spread time. So basically, we should start. We've got your volume, tone, feedback, and S time. Now, volume is just your volume. Tone.
Volume is the level of effect.
Of effect, yeah. So it's not.
You're right. It stays the same.
Stays the same. Tone affects the tone of your of the repeats. But it also kind of sets the sensitivity of the filter part of it. It's quite a complicated pedal, really. Feedback, like any feedback on any delay pedal, it's just the amount of repeats you have. So it goes from very little to pretty much self-oscillating craziness. And then you have your spread time. Now your spread time is kind of like the delay time, but it works in multiple ways too. So if you have it set fairly low, so hang on, we'll switch over to you.
Okay.
Hang on, so there's Alex is clean. Okay, so if you have it set fairly low, it's kind of just almost like a reverb.
This thing can also mimic other styles of effects too. Like it can do the slapback thing.
So it's kind of like a slapback kind of reverby kind of vibe. Then the more you turn it up, and if you play softly, more delay there now, and a bit more reverb there. Now, the more you turn up, and once you get to about 12 o'clock in particular, you have quite a bit more delay, quite a bit more reverb, but now you have also this added thing. If you do a quick stab on the... You've got this wonderful world now of that kind of filter kind of sweepy stuff in there. So now once you get to the filter stuff, the tone will now kind of affect the sensitivity of the filter. So the higher the tone up, the lower the tone is. Let's start with that. The less sensitive it is. Once you turn it up, you can hear those sweeps coming through when you're just strumming it lightly as well. See, there's that sweep in there already. So it kind of affects the sensitivity of it as well. So it's sort of a multi-dimensional kind of processing kind of thing.
So, the let's check out the feedback.
Okay. So we go from.
Kind of not just lets the repeats go on longer, but also develops the filter sound.
Yeah.
As well.
Well, it adds. It adds. That's because it adds three things to it. So it adds reverb, delay, and it just all depends on. Yeah. Let's just play.
It is one of those pedals you just need to play.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just for that, that's just brilliant. And the other awesome feature is, if you strum a chord, Alex, you hold it down, and it just holds a chord. And then as you let it go, it kind of just decays naturally.
That's cool.
So it's a really cool pedal. I really like it. We both have one of those.
We do.
And it's just a really fun pedal, and it's something completely different. It's not a delay, it's not a reverb, it's not a filter. It's an ambient machine. I think that's what they actually call it. It's a transient ambient machine.
And it does definitely work on your transients. Like you say, if you play harder with more attack, then you will get more of a filter effect.
Yeah.
And more everything.
Let's try. I'm sorry.
Softly.
If you want. Beautiful.
Lovely.
That's a Boss Tera Echo. Great pedal.
Lots of fun.
Lots and lots of fun. Anything else?
I think so.
That's pretty much it. All right.
Cool.
See you next time.
Catch.
Bye.